Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Patrick with Stacking Layers. Today I wanted to make a video to show you something that could probably save you quite a bit of time and hassle while 3D printing. As you can see here, I have a little orange lizard I printed out, and you probably noticed right away that it's not looking too great. Yep, it looks like it's been clogged or I'm having some sort of extrusion issue going on, and I wanted to point out that this is actually a case of bad filament. Yep, I have been trying with this filament for too long to figure out what's going on. I've been bumping the heat up and all sorts of things. And I just got kind of frustrated and decided to change the color. And when I changed that color, look at this. Everything printed perfectly. Now, maybe I could adjust some more temperatures, settings there, or retraction rates, whatever. But in general, the model printed out perfect. And I wanted to point it out because the fact that the only difference between the two models is the color change. It's the same filament brand, the same level of quality that they offer. Um, the only difference was the color. Same G-code, same printer settings. I literally changed the color, pressed print again, and got this result. No declogging, no E-steps calibrations, nothing done except for changing the color. So I wanted to point that out because if you're having a lot of problems with something going on and you're thinking, why can't my machine stop getting clogged or have these problems, why this machine is terrible, just try changing the filament. You might be surprised. That's all I did here, after lots of trial and error, of course, but I did that. So I wanted to save you time. Hopefully this video helps you out and does save you time. So the note to take home with this, if you're having problems, change the filament before you change any printer or slicer settings. You may be surprised and get good results with another color. Anyways, hopefully this helps. Let me know down in the comments what you think. And until next time, happy printing!